This is a one-shot, one-take 3D print speed run through the shop. Here we go. S&P is the one for me. Bit of letter cutting. We have marker holders out here in the office. Amanda has pen, pencil, and Post-it note holders. Our daily tags for who has what, plus the toilet. Tomorrow I'm cleaning the bathrooms. We have attachments for our shop vacs. We have the hose holder, all 3D printed. The clipboard here is 3D printed. The offcut for our printer, 3D printed. This GoPro mount, another one of those marker holders, gauges, time tracker, print in progress tags for all of our printers and their outfeeds, all the desiccant holders and filament tags, plus please check the dryer before opening a new spool of this, tags. The bin for these barrel blocks, 3D printed. The headphone holder there, and one here, and over there, 3D printed. This board, 3D printed. Fitting holder, 3D printed. This, more markers. Over here at the Matsura, tool tags, air hose. This, the pyramid stand for that calibration. The jigs for those fixtures. These hose routing clamps, and also pallet marking labels. Also all these knobs and the soft close elements on this door, 3D printed. Hanger, mount, more hangers, bunch of screwdriver holders with embedded magnets, all of our Gridfinity tool bins, of which we are always printing more. Document holder, tool holders, part holders for our RegoFix system. More Allen keys. Over here, Sharpie holders, big Sharpie holder, big Sharpie holder. This go, no-go gauge for recurring sawn stock. The maintenance tool holders for our lathe. This door handle, because you shouldn't open it because this is parked on the other side. This cover to prevent accidentally pressing the power button. Drill dock. Air gun holder, Sharpie, tool tags, tons of different magnet things, pliers, scissors, all kinds of stuff here. This dispenser for gasket material, another Sharpie holder, tool holder, dowel dispenser, screw pocket, the holder for these different punches and the mount that fits them, all 3D printed. Over here in our shipping area, brochures, stickers, all those holders 3D printed. The misalignment protector gauge, so you don't bump that for that eye, 3D printed. This magnet holder for the knife, 3D printed. Over here, we busted these handles and found they were not very ergonomic, so we designed and printed new ones, which is pretty sweet. At our 3D printers, the tags for filament type, CF, these are 3D printed. The cover, so you don't accidentally switch off the feed at our strapper, 3D printed. Over here, hi there, tags, lots of tags. This is our lean cave. There's a ton of 3D printed things down here. This tropical iPad dock, 3D printed. Another hanger over in morning meeting space. Here on our scissor lift, this reminds you to unplug the charging cord before you drive it away. Over here, this is printed. This is printed. These little hangers for mat knives are printed. At a CNC station, we got a bunch of printed stuff. More Sharpie holders. We have Post-it note holders, drill docks, bolt holders, the little sleeves on these magnets, are printed. Another switch cover, another gasket dispenser, and a little holder for the nips that clip those. Over at our shear, we have end blocks so you can drop in different sizes. We have a 5, 10, 15, 20 go, no-go gauge for sheet stock. We have pinch point covers, so those, when they go up and down, are covered. We have our drop-in width for drill. This is 3D printed. That stop is 3D printed, and all these different 3D prints drop in based on the size of stock you are drilling. More iPad docks, more Sharpie holders, a PSI gauge mount. This multi-piece magnetic snap together dust cover, so it allows us to bolt in easily to the table and connect a hose underneath. Switch covers, so you don't use this switch, you use that switch. Another iPad mount, buffing wheel. All these different things are all 3D printed. More post-it notes, another newer experimental dust cover design, and arbor covers, because this side is not being used. We don't want a freewheeling shaft out there, so it's fully covered. Over here we have, that one's, there we go. Scissor holder, tool holders, plier holders. These covers for these bins are 3D printed, so we don't drop them in the wrong place. We have a bunch of different label dispensers here, all 3D printed. More marker holders, label dispensers, sticker docks, and swag docks. This is for a particular size bag, and it mounts directly to the rack here. Sharpie holders. We've messed around with various kinds of spool feeders on this auto label dispenser and printed that and printed that. We have at a lot of these stations bars to hold different kinds of sewn materials. This is printed. This is printed. The guides and covers on this auto spool feed clipper are printed. That's printed. This cover is printed because we don't want to actually turn the heat on. This is a cold cut machine only, so the heat controls are covered up. Over here, the infeed for these soft loops is 3D printed. The guide that helps you align them to make sure they're clocked correctly is 3D printed. Over at sewing, these guides and infeed ramps are 3D printed. We turn caps inside out. This is a safety guard. It's magnet mounted. This ram and this guide are 3D printed. Over here at hot roll cutting, I triggered the motion sensor. It's cycling. Over here at hot roll cutting, these recipe templates and these ones are all 3D printed. You just drop them over the control plate and enter your values, match field to match field, and those color match with the different guides for different width materials. Over here at our elastic cutter, this is 3D printed with embedded magnets to keep the spool from wandering off and falling. At our laser cutters, all of our toe clamps are 3D printed. These allow us to replace some of the aluminum slats with steel ones and hold down the front, back, and side edges of materials that don't want to lie flat. Also, the fume extraction switches are on 3D printed magnet mounts. That makes that easy. And all the go, no-go gauges for a lot of our production parts are mounted here, all 3D printed. And all those 3D printed parts are designed during production to mount to this little taper buck on a bench. Drop them in, drop your parts in, and then we vacuum those parts clean while they're held in place, so we get cleaning and go, no-go gauge in the same place. So we have your usual lighter, Sharpie, tool, iPad mounts, all 3D printed. Over here at kitting, we have a little slider rack for fidlock buckles, 3D printed. These different label spoolers are printed. This belt winder is printed. This hardware liner and funnel are printed. We have printed stuff everywhere. And every time we print a new thing, it's a chance to try out something and make the process better.